The worst thing anybody can actually do to you is to tell you that do not get monetized yet. Take it slow and steady. Make sure that you're doing it at a pace. Don't be in a hurry to get monetized. That is the worst disease, and that's the worst thing anybody can actually pick up their camera to tell you. This particular video, this is how much I made. This particular video, this is how much I made. This particular video, this is how much I made. Let me just stop in these 3 videos. And these videos are videos that are not even up to like 1 month. So within calculation of these 3 videos, I've gotten over $300. $300 just within these particular videos that are not even up to a month. You understand? Now, just imagine that these videos are actually going viral, or these videos are actually getting views, and at the end of the day, I am not monetized on YouTube. I don't know, like, how will it sound? Like, where will I be getting all of the coins? See, you are burning data. You're burning electricity, as far as I'm concerned. If everybody's burning, you are burning energy. Like, you are running out of patience. It is time for you to take your content creating journey very, very serious. A lot of you guys are not serious. That's the honest truth. A lot of you guys keep repeating the same mistake that you keep repeating from Genesis to Revelation. YouTube monetization is not what you should just fold your arms, sit down, and expect the magic or the miracle to happen. It will not happen. Vibe with Sonia cannot come and make the miracle happen for you. The only thing that can make the miracle happen is when you take your content creation journey very seriously. Now, let's be honest. The most platform, or the most social media platform that pays better right now as it stands, is YouTube. YouTube is getting oversaturated every single day. YouTube pays more than Facebook, as far as I'm concerned. YouTube pays more than other social media platforms. I've been monetized on my TikTok international account. Like, I'll share a video with you guys how much I've been able to earn from that time till now, because I've stayed like over 1 year being monetized with my international TikTok account. Like, you can't even compare it. Like, the gap between YouTube and the gap between some of the social media platforms are big. That is why if I see people telling me that, oh, I just want to take it slow and steady, I'm not against you taking it slow and steady, but I'm against you not putting effort in your content. Because at the end of the day, if you're not putting effort in your content creating journey, you will get disappointed. You will get frustrated. You will lose. At the end of the day, you see someone here, the person has stayed on YouTube for the past 8 years, 5 years, 6 years, 4 years, 3 years. The person is not monetized. And you are still telling me to take it slow and steady. Like, how? Like, where? How do I manage to take it slow and steady? Where a lot of people out there just started YouTube 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 3 months ago, 1 year ago, they're already making money out of YouTube. The first question you should ask yourself is, what can I really do to bring this money down to my table? How can I do it comfortably? You understand? And what can I put out that people will actually click to watch? I will always tell you, see, in every effort you're doing and you're not improving in your content creating journey, be it on your thumbnail, be it in your videos making, be it in what you're delivering here on YouTube, you are still going to be rounding over and over again. I took Instagram serious just how many weeks ago, and you can see, if you go to my Instagram now, you'll find out that my Instagram post is getting more engagements than before. That's to say, if you do not put in the work in any of this platform, you are not going to be achieving it, especially on YouTube. I will always stand here to tell you that one thing you can actually do for yourself is to ensure that you get monetized. Get monetized. Then let anyone to deceive you. Everybody have their grace, yes. Everybody have how their journey is, yes. Everybody have what works for them, yes. But in all, try your possible best. Put in the work. Put in the video. Put in the consistency. Try everything you can. Do your live stream. Get your watch hours. Get everything intact so that at the end of the day, you are going to be happy. Most of these days when you're going to be enjoying these coins, you're not going to be seeing Vibe with Sonia there. Vibe with Sonia is just going to be sitting down here. Now, even if you're working or you're doing anything and you keep complaining, you keep procrastinating, I'm not usually chance, I work, I do this. At the end of the day, it is not going to still help you. At the end of the day, don't too much for this video. It is not going to help you. Find time for your content creating journey. Find time for what you're doing on YouTube. Find time for what can get you monetized. Find time for what can ginger you, what can boost you. You understand? I know how much God has actually blessed me with community on YouTube. And God can also still bless you with community on YouTube. YouTube community is a community that you keep growing every single day. You keep learning on the job every single day. You keep building a brand every single day. You keep doing different kind of thing every single day. So if you are planning to give up, do not give up. If you're planning to stop creating, do not stop creating. I know how disheartening, I know how frustrating I've once been there. And at some point, I still keep telling myself, I'm still there. There are days I wake up, I don't even have the vibes to create content. There are days I wake up, I'm energetic, and I want to just keep creating and pushing out content here. And I'll come do my thing. There are days I wake up, I don't even want to go live. There are days I still do not want to go live, but I still have to do it. Just like what happened yesterday, I never even have it in my mind that I will go live. Like, I was so weak. That was, okay, day before yesterday, I was so weak in going live. But I just pushed myself. I just said, let me just go ahead and do it. And it was a whole lot of miracle that's happened. People just came, super chatted east, west, north, and south. And I was like, see this live stream way besides Sabi, no one go. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? You need to ask yourself, Vibe with Sonia with over 90,000 subscribers, to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil, is still trying her possible best to create long-form content, short-form content, live stream content, creating a post, organizing YouTube stuff, and the rest of that. Do you think it's easy for me? It's not easy for me. For the past 3 days, I've not even been able to visit my mail, to respond to a single mail. I just finished clearing all my WhatsApp messages today because it was a whole lot. But I just have to keep still doing it. Let me keep doing my best. Let me keep showing up, because at the end of the day, I am still going to be the one to benefit. So please, in anything you are doing, monetization should be your goal. YouTube monetization should be your goal. It should be what you should always be looking out for. It should be what you should always be reaching out for. In as much as you're creating the content because you have passion for content creating, because you enjoy what you are doing, because that's what some persons will tell me. Oh, Bible Sonia, I enjoy what I'm doing. I'm comfortable. I'm at my comfort zone. Please do not be at your comfort zone. Those that are at their comfort zone, then they're mortuary. So you are not the one to be in your comfort zone. Move out of your comfort zone. Move out of the box. Move out of what you just ordinarily know and start exploring other things. There are other content you can pull out there that a lot of people will be able to watch and then be able to subscribe, like. In fact, as YouTube is getting oversaturated now, the more you keep delaying, the more things is becoming hard. What if you wake up tomorrow morning and YouTube tells you that we are now moving the watch hour from 4,000 watch hour to 10,000 watch hour? What becomes of you? Have you asked yourself those kind of questions? What if you wake up tomorrow and YouTube said, we are moving the subscribers from 1,000 subscribers to 5,000 subscribers before you can get monetized? What becomes of you? So in all of these things, you need to first of all be checking out for what if in the future, so that the what if that you're checking out for will not even affect you as a content creator. Before you know, they not increase, you are monetized on YouTube. YouTube pays, and I can tell you with my full chest. And honestly, if you invest your time, effort here, you are definitely not going to be wasting your time. You are not wasting your time. Just in less than 1 month. How many days old on day for this month now? I've earned like over $300. Over. Then what about you? Do you think you can't? You think you cannot? Okay, calculate how much it is. So even if you're just going to be getting T-pence every single month, $5, $2 every single month, the most important thing is I want to be monetized. That should be your goal. That should be the spirit. That should be what should be driving. That should be like your driving force. That should be your driving force. I want to be monetized. Don't let anybody give you all of those cook and boo stories. Monetization is sweet. Monetization is sweet on YouTube. I can tell you for a fact. I can hit my chest and tell you that YouTube monetization is sweet. When you are monetized, it is sweet. Don't let anybody deceive you. So try your possible best. Monetize your account. Get your 1,000 subscribers. Get your 4,000 watch hour. Trust me, you will come back one day to thank me in the comment section. As a lot of people are already thanking me. Oh, Bible Sonia, thank you. I got monetized because of you. And I'm proud. That is because why? They listen and they follow. You understand? Here, we don't do church or church. We talk based on practicals, based on our experience, based on what is happening to us. Now we will share, give you. We don't sugarcoat. We know they hide. We know they come preach, say we be this or we be that. We just want results. That is what Vibe with Sonia wants. I want results. I want a lot of YouTubers to be able to hit their chest and said, Vibe with Sonia made me do this. And I've already been getting results, but I want to get more and more and more results. And I believe that you that is watching this particular video can actually get more and more and more of that result. Anyways, if you are tired, frustrated, you don't even know what to do, how to do it, and you want Vibe with Sonia to personally go into your channel to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can do, what we can add, and what we can manage, this is where I personally come into your channel with this mail that is displaying on the screen, faithonora3195@gmail.com, and with the flyers that you're also seeing displaying on your screen. Send us a mail, faithonora3195@gmail.com. I always leave that same mail in my description. The mail is also in my bio. Send us a mail and let's get your coaching session started. Let's go and review your channel to see what is even happening, what you are even doing wrong. Because a lot of people, sometimes I notice that they don't even know that they are doing a lot of things wrong. And at the end of the day, you're doing a lot of things wrong. So let's at least set up your YouTube channel for you, the studio and everything, so that you know that as you're posting, you know what you are delivering down to the table, what you should be expecting, and what you should also gain. Send us a mail and you will not regret it. For those ones that will be joining the Port Harcourt YouTubers Hangout on the 29th of June 2025, this same year is for our Port Harcourt Hangout. For those ones that are in Akwa Ibom, Enugu, Imo State, any of this state that is close to Port Harcourt, that you know you can make it down here on the 29th of this said month, June 2025, send us a mail with the faithonora3195@gmail.com. All you need to do is write Port Harcourt Hangout and your phone number. That is it. It is not difficult, because all we need to do is we'll get your mail from there, we'll add you up to the WhatsApp group, and trust me, you will definitely not regret it. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be simple, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Get monetized, start making money on YouTube, and thank me later. Bye for now. I love you. Mwah.